welcome to my channel, and here we are going to solve this particular problem. And as we have here that the drawing below is a parallelogram ABCD. Enlarge the figure in the ratio of 4 to 6. Enlarge the figure in the ratio of 4:6. Okay, so this is a parallelogram and we want to enlarge this figure. So we are going to use two methods to solve this problem, and this video is for the first method. Okay, so as we have here, the length is 40 and then we have the height to be 30. It is the height, not this side, so it is the height that is 30 millimeters, and the angle at which this particular side is inclined to the horizontal on the exterior part is 120 millimeters, which means the angle inside there is 60 millimeters, in case you do not know. So what we are going to do first is to replicate what we see here. So first of all, draw it, then we go on to produce its enlargement as we are instructed. So let's start. As I said, that this video is for the first method, so let's see what we need to do. So the first thing that we are going to do here is to draw a horizontal line. I need to make use of my red pen. So we draw horizontal line like this. Okay. Alright, so then we are going to take a measurement of 40 millimeters here on this line. So I'm going to take 40. So this is the starting point, and this is 40 millimeters. Okay, now so I'm going to draw a line at angle 60 degrees. I told you that the interior angle is 60 degrees. So I'll just draw a line. So this is 60 degree side of my set square. I'll draw a line like this. At this point also, I'm going to draw a line, so which is also be at an angle 60 degree. So this is a parallelogram. So then I'm going to take a measurement. So I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point. So draw a vertical line at this point like this. On this vertical line, I'm going to take a measurement of 30 millimeters. 30 millimeters. This is 30 millimeters here. So now I'll just draw. So with this 30 millimeters here, I will draw a vertical line. Sorry, I draw a horizontal line from here to here. So this is the figure that we are given. So now, so on this figure, I'm going to write. So let me use this to write A. So this is point A, and this is point B. So this is point C, and this is point D here. Okay, so now, so with what we have done here, the next thing that we are going to do is to do the enlargement of this figure. As I said, that we are using two methods. So now, so let's see this first method. So I need to locate a pole here. So a pole, so any distance from this particular drawing, so any distance, just put a dot. So and then I will write P at this point. This is the pole. Okay, so this is the pole here. So what I need to do now is that I'm going to draw a line, so through each of the points on the parallelogram. So I'm going to draw a line, so it goes in this direction. So then at point B, okay, so it passed through point A. So from P again, I will draw a line, so it will pass through point B. So then from P again, I will draw a line, and the line will pass through point C like this. Okay, then next is, okay, so next one is that I will draw a line from point P and to pass through point D like this. Okay, now, so next that I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw a line from P again. So this line doesn't touch. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is that I will draw a line from this point P again, so to incline, to be at an angle. So I will call this line, this particular line, I will call it line PQ. Line PQ. So this is point Q here. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to make 6 equal divisions on this line. 6 equal divisions on this line. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. So 6 equal divisions. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I will number this point on this line. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, so this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. Okay, so we are taking the size of this object from 4 to 6. So this point 4 here on this line, I will join it with point A. I will join it with point A like this. Okay, so we join it with point A, we have this. So then the next thing I'm going to do is that I will take my set square, setting it along this point A4 or 4A, A4 or 4A. So then I will shift it, so supporting it with my ruler like this. Then I will shift it to point 6. So it comes like this. This is point 6. Then I will draw a line to meet this line. So this point, if you look at this is line A. So then it touches this line A at this point. So this line A is the point for our enlargement. So I will call this point, I will call it A1. So this is point A1. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I need to locate, if you look at this is line AD. So I need to locate point D. So we have to take our set square, setting it on the ruler like this. So, and then I will set along this line AD like this. Okay, setting it along line AD. Then I'm going to shift it. So I will shift it and I move like this to point A1. Then it touches line that comes out from P, passing through point D. It touches at this point. So I will draw a line like this. So this line is parallel to this line. So this line A1 D1. This is D1. So A1 D1. So this line A1 D1 is parallel to line AD here. So we have gotten that. So next is I need to get what? I want to get point line DC. So that is D1 C1. So what I need to do is to set my set square along this line DC here. Okay. So I will set along this line DC. Then I will move it to point D1. I will move it to point D1 so it goes up like this. So wherever it touches D1, okay, it touches D1 here. So I'm going to draw a line from here. So like this. So it meets this line that we drew out from P passing through C. It meets it at this point. So this is point C1. This is point C1. So we have that. So the next is for me to get point B. Is for me to get point B. So what I need to do, that is point B1. So I will set my set square along this line BC, along this line BC, and I will shift the set square. So I'll shift the set square on the ruler. So shifting it to point C1 here. Okay, so it touches it here. So I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to draw a line from C1 to meet this line that comes out from P passing through B. So I will draw like this. Okay, so this is point B1 here. So this is B1. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I will just connect A1 and B1 together like this. A1 and B1 connect together like this. Alright, so we have enlarged this parallelogram ABCD as we have it A1, B1, C1 and D1. This is the enlargement. A1, B1, C1 and D1 is the enlargement. So we have taken it from 4 to 6. We enlarge it from 4 to 6. So as simple as I've done it here. Thank you and God bless you.